And it goes a little something like
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Chai from Inner Show with just another vlog. Here in my channel, I make concert vlogs, travel vlogs, and unboxing fan merchandise. So if you're into these, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified on my next vlog. So guys, as you can see, this is another unboxing vlog. Today is the 31st day of December 2020. It's the last day for the year and I'm just making the most out of it before we bid goodbye with this year. In just a few hours, it's gonna be a brand new year, a whole new hope and beginning for everyone. So first, I would like to just greet you guys a happy new year. I wish everyone will have a better year for 2021. Today's the last day of the year and I'm probably gonna post this as my first vlog for 2021. Happy new year, guys. Let's just claim that this is gonna be a very good new year. So as you have read on the title and as you can see on my background, I have the LIGHTSTICK. So we'll be unboxing BLACKPINK's LIGHTSTICK version 2 today. I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks now. It's supposed to come earlier, but due to the holidays and such, it came in late, so it just arrived a few hours ago with this box in here. So as you can see, I got 3. So the 2 are for my friends. These are not all mine. But we'll be unboxing one of them. So I've got the first version here, which I have unboxed on this vlog if you wanted to watch it. And I got this one as well. It's a very small light stick. It's like a keychain. It is called LIGHTSTICK keyring. It also lights up, but it doesn't squeaks like, you know, the real thing. But you know, it's very cute, also from YG. So this is like the first one. We'll be comparing this to the second version later on and see what's the difference. So here is the packaging. It's very similar to the first one, with the difference of the statement saying that this is the official LIGHTSTICK version 2 limited edition. It has the logo here and YG's logo here, and at the back it has some information in Korean and English on what it does and where you can download the application as well. Now you have to take note that it has a YG logo here, which authenticate that this is the official one, because there is a lot of, you know, fake LIGHTSTICK out there. I'm not against about it. You know, it's cheaper, it's an alternative for anyone who can't buy the official one, because this is not cheap. So but if you're looking for the real thing, you must have this in here. So first off, that you'll notice this is a Bluetooth capable LIGHTSTICK compared to this one. So as you can see, this one has the logo of YG as well right down below, but it doesn't have a Bluetooth indicator. The difference between the boxes, back of it is black, this one is all pink and it's on a lighter pink color. So that's basically what you will see outside. By the way, I bought this from YG Select, the official website for, you know, BLACKPINK's merchandise. So it came with pre-order benefits, and this is the limited edition photo cards for each of the members. We'll go ahead and check them out now. So these are not given to everyone because it's in limited numbers, so very lucky that we were given this pre-order benefits. All 3 that I bought have this. As you can see, you will first see Jisoo here holding the light stick. So the back, it was just a simple picture of the light stick. Jisoo, as pretty as always. Second member that you will see is Jenny. Jenny. So cute. She has bangs in here. I thought it's Lisa at first. Next up is Rose. So today, the news came out that Rose's solo will be coming up. So we'll be expecting more merchandise right around February, I would say. Because that's when it's supposed to come out, as YG says. But knowing YG, YG may be clowning us, so we'll see. And the last member, of course, my bias, Lisa. She's like a 5-year-old here, by the way. Look at her. She's pouting, holding that light stick. Yeah, these are very, very cute. This is how they look like at the back. So yeah, we'll go ahead and unbox this now. There's really nothing much that came with it. So it's still sealed. I'll go ahead and take this out now. I've been wanting to open this since earlier, but I wanted to do this unboxing. Oh my god, here we go. Just go ahead and try to take this out. Wow. So I've seen a lot of unboxing for this light stick, and majority of them comes with like broken box, like dented box. This one is very good. I was happy that the shipping went very good. It wasn't really dented or whatnot, because I really hate that, because I wanted to display the box as well. And this one is like kind of messy. I'm not sure what happened, but this one is very good. Look at that. Right? Let's see what else we have inside. Also came with this strap. I think it's the same one with this. The color is different. This has the brighter pink color. This one has the lighter color shade, but also this one has YG's logo. This one does not have one. So yeah, it's kind of different though. And it's longer. Okay. Alright. The main difference of this second light stick is that it came with this stand. So it's perfect if you're like wanting to display it on your table or on your shelf. It won't fall up for sure. This one's kind of heavyweight, so it will definitely balance off the light stick. Both BLACKPINK logo here. It also turns downwards and upwards. I think that's the maximum that it could go. So it doesn't go like 360. It's mostly like about, I'm not sure what angle is this, but yeah, you know what I mean. Bottom, it has the logo of BLACKPINK as well. It has this plastic here. We'll just peel this off. I would just like to show you how this one looks like. So this one, it's like a mic thing. So it has this rounded edge instead of like this one has the circular stand, so it will stand alone. So it also squeaks. It's kind of different now. The first version, you'll have to like turn this around. this one, this knob in here, you have to like turn it sideways, so it won't squeak. This one is just sideways if you don't want it squeaking, but of course I want the sound. I like the sound of it. The older version has this metallic part in here. This one is not, it's not metallic, but it lights up. So I think this one is better because it lights up here and also here. I think the reason why this is longer, it's because the hole where you have to put it is bigger as well. Pretty much that's what you can see. Still has this Blackpink logo here, both ways. I think the color is different as well. This one is on a lighter pink. This one is a little bit brighter. This one is smaller though. If you're gripping it, it's not thicker than this one. This one is thicker though, right? This one requires 3 AAA batteries compared to the other one, which only requires 2. It's more battery because it has more functions on it. So I'll go ahead and just put some batteries in. Right, let's see if it's working. By the way, this is how it looks like with the stand on it. So again, it can be tilted this way up to this way only. There you go. Just go ahead and test this now. Oh my god. All right, let me just turn off the light so you can see it. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the first mode. That's the second one. I'm not sure what's the difference. Oh, okay. It kind of blank after a few seconds. And this one is, of course, the blinking one. So you can see this one lights up. Let me compare it with this one. In terms of the light, this one is brighter, on a brighter pink. This one is the lighter pink. So this one has 2 modes. This one has 3 modes. Alright, I'm having fun doing this. Alright, so there you go. Seeing it lighting. Okay, by the way, this is rechargeable, guys. If you don't have batteries with you, you can charge it here. So it has this Android type charger here, which is very cost efficient because you don't have to buy very expensive batteries. But it doesn't come with a cord, so I'm not sure why it doesn't come with at least the cord itself. So we'll go ahead and test the Bluetooth mode of this one. So it came with an app, so you can actually like scan the QR code in here, so you'll get to download the application. So this is what you need to download, guys. It's Blackpink LIGHTSTICK V.2 app. It says here, what should I do to turn on the LIGHTSTICK Bluetooth mode? When you press the LIGHTSTICK button twice, the LIGHTSTICK LED flashes blue. There you go, guys. It turned on blue. LIGHTSTICK is on Bluetooth mode. As you can see, it turned blue for Bluetooth mode. So it's time to connect it to the app. Alright, so you will see a progress right at the bottom. It says 50%. Almost there. There you go, guys. It turns green. Oh my god. So what you can see on the app, you can set the mood on the app and you can set the brightness as well. So this is the mood light one. Do you see it? So that's how it works. This is the mood light too. So we'll try to see if it will respond to BLACKPINK songs. Ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin'. Ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin'. So sweet, so sweet. Can get enough to eat. Ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin'. Ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream. So there you go, guys. Everything works fine. Overall, it's really cute. I didn't expect it to be this cool. Really like it. Hopefully we can get to use this in a concert very soon. They'll be having a concert by the end of this month. It's gonna be probably my very first concert for BLACKPINK for this year, and it's just said that it's online, but you know, we get what we get for now. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you like and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell so you'll be notified on my next vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.